Today, we're diving into the world of oats, a humble yet powerful grain that offers a plenty of health benefits. Oats have long been recognized for their nutritional value and versatility, making them a popular choice for breakfast and beyond. From heart health to weight management, oats are packed with essential nutrients that can support your overall well being. Join us as we explore 9 remarkable benefits of oats, backed by scientific research, and discover why this wholesome grain deserves a place in your daily diet. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike swear by the benefits of oats for enhancing athletic performance. Oats are a rich source of complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy to fuel your workouts and sustain endurance. Additionally, the high protein content in oats supports muscle repair and recovery post exercise, helping you achieve peak performance and reach your fitness goals. The antioxidants and anti inflammatory compounds found in oats can work wonders for your skin. Oats have been shown to soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and alleviate itching, making them a popular ingredient in skincare products. Whether used in baths, lotions, or facial masks, oats can help nourish and hydrate your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. The fiber content in oats is excellent for promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. Oats acts as a natural bulk-forming laxative, adding bulk to stool and facilitating regular bowel movements. Additionally, oats contain prebiotics, which feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut and support a healthy digestive system overall. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, oats are an excellent choice. With a low glycemic index, oats cause a gradual rise in blood glucose levels, helping to stabilize energy levels and prevent sudden spikes and crashes. Incorporating oats into your diet can aid in blood sugar control and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. One of the standout benefits of oats is their ability to support weight management. The high fiber content in oats helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake and curbing cravings. By incorporating oats into your meals, you can maintain a healthy weight and support your weight loss efforts. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From manganese and phosphorus to magnesium and iron, oats provide a wide array of nutrients that are vital for maintaining overall health and well being. Incorporating oats into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake and support optimal health. Oats contain a variety of antioxidants, including avenantheramides, which have a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Including oats into your diet can help boost your antioxidant intake and promote long term health. One of the most well known benefits of oats is their ability to support heart health. Oats are rich in beta glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of oats can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, improve blood vessel function, and support overall cardiovascular health. Last but not least, oats are incredibly versatile and delicious, making them easy to incorporate into your diet in a variety of ways. From classic oatmeal and granola to baked goods like cookies and muffins, the possibilities are endless. With their mild flavor and satisfying texture, oats can be enjoyed as a nutritious breakfast, snack, or ingredient in your favorite recipes. In conclusion, oats are truly a nutritional powerhouse, offering a multitude of benefits for your health and well being. Whether you're looking to support heart health, manage weight, improve digestion, or enhance athletic performance, oats have you covered. With their impressive nutrient profile, versatility, and delicious taste, oats are a simple yet effective addition to any diet. So why not start reaping the rewards of oats today and take a step towards a healthier, happier you? Thank you for joining us as we uncovered the amazing benefits of oats. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.